This is Aunt V recording from 77 Quaker Ridge in New Rochelle, New York. I am on the second floor of this building and I'm about to press the button to enter a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here's the button. This is the first floor level of the elevator. We have the arrows up and down. I will go down. This is the lower level of 77 Quaker Ridge, the outside, and I will press the button to go back up again to the second floor. The door is open and I'm going to go back down to the lobby. This is where all of the machinery that controls the elevator lives. Uncle Al could access this with one of his special keys. Thanks for watching.